the funny crab. So yeah, had no idea crabs can run that fast actually. So if you've been thinking about swimming with dolphins, I highly recommend you doing that. It was very beautiful. Although I thought that they will pay more attention to me, frankly, but basically they were just ignoring everything. So it was a bit messy, since you had to jump from board, swim with them for a while, go back on board, follow them and repeat everything again, couple of times. Haven't had a chance to see a dolphin from this close until today, so it was an unbelievable experience. The emotions, you know, let's say it's hard to explain, but I recommend you doing that as well. So see you soon.